What's going on?
Get up here.
Does Lexi have a cool noise too? You guys are talented.
Wait, Donald,
Wait, maybe you should combine that with Daniel's noise at the same time.
Alright, ready?
All right. Oh, that is really good. Is this gonna work for the talent show?